Hi everyone, welcome back again. Everyone likes biryani, the perfect blend of spices for the perfect biryani. In this video, we will make homemade biryani masala. So keep watching. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons peppercorns, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cloves, 1½ tablespoons cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and 4 to 5 bay leaves. Roast on low-medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not burn it. You may add mace and nutmeg also. Turn off the flame. When it's still warm, transfer into a blender. Blend it into powder. Transfer into a glass jar. To this, adding 1½ tablespoons red chilli powder and 1½ teaspoons turmeric powder and mix well. Here the biryani masala. I use 1 to 2 tablespoons while cooking biryani. Hope you like this video. If so, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, bye. Thank you.